welcome to this show. This is Balloon Tower Defense 5, finally, a mouse game. See my mouse? You might not. I'm going to play as a guest. So you see there's different kind of occasions, but since I'm a guest, I can only do this. Can't check out this. Either this, or either buy land. Oh, you can buy land, but not right now. But anyways, it's about, if you played this before, you know what it is. So, I had to do something real quickly. 9 to 5, do something which is important today. Might not there. Die. There. So this time we're gonna be we're gonna be this one. We're gonna do it easy. What? So anyways, we have a dart monkey right here. So we will place him right here. You might not be able to see him, but yeah. I don't know if I'll put him. See what you like about this. So yeah. Tack shooter! We'll get the tack shooter since there's something good with it. We'll put it on there. But you see, when it comes over here, it'll basically die. See? So we get longer range, and I'll rely on 2 of these. Now we have upgrades for these monkeys. Makes no sense as they're monkeys, I know. I can play them right. Tonali, you're playing the wrong game. Whatever. I don't care. Yay, sharp darts. Sniper monkey. That's a new tower in this game. There's a lot of 2 towers, so don't ask me all of them since I don't have all of them. If I go up, okay. Well, if we upgrade this to defend these balloons, so you see, we get new towers each time. It's like they're hiring their job. We're owning these balloons right now, but we're not much. You can see the sniper monkey right here. We shoot him. Try to place on boomerang. But I'm going to place boomerang right here because this is a good spot. It can almost hit that track. See, it will hit 3 balloons, but with this, it will hit 7 balloons, so it gets 4 pop upgrade. So, pops are important. Really not. You see, don't do that. I got this. Full metal jetpack. That means you cover 4 layers of balloons in lead. There are new types of balloons, even some more classes. Look at this. I'm gonna buy 1 more dart monkey. Ninja man. So you see, we can't get all the upgrades. We have to get XP from each tower. So we want that. So that, see, they have some pictures on the bottom, you can see. Did I say bomb tower? Well, we're going to get the bomb tower later, but for now, let's get these guys. We're going to place a bomb tower right next to this so it'll have lots of popping power. Yeah, and extra range. Let's get extra range on this guy. Extra range does not do that much. Just follow it. So yes, I don't know how long this is going to be. And okay. God damn you. There, if you can see well. So we had Regos. I don't know if you can see them or not. But we're going to get down to every tower so that they can gain XP. Even they're sucking. There's their shots. And very nice, alright. This will freeze balloons which is not sucky at all. Sonic So you see, pink, white will not get frozen, black will get frozen, but will not get popped by bombs, and white and the zebras are both. So yeah, you need to be careful. But I'm actually going to get 2 of these. Since the 2 of these are pretty good. Camel can only be popped by this, or if you have an upgrade for these and this. I don't know all of them, but yeah. See, glue gunner. If we get the glue, nice. Escape. So let's get the glue gunner probably about right here. Why am I saving this? See you later. So yes, this is why I get 2. This is why we need the fence. So I'm going to place down a bomb tower right here so you can get both shacks. See. Extra range. So let's get extra range first. Enchantment. Lead balloons will get popped by the bombs you see right here. Sonic balloon. We'll smash through lead balloons. Anyways. Yeah, this is yeah. We got passing the other balloons like that. But you see, we have ranks, so we're about to be at rank 10. Let's see, look. Here again, this is going to be an easy round. But we need Spike Factory right now. Look at this. Look, we're leaking lives. It's really pineapple, that's not good health. So let's get, this one is Nature Monkey. Let's get both sides. Look at this guy, he's gonna beat everybody. So you see, we're going good on like freezing power, phosphorus, and blue silk, and bigger bombs, and sugar. So I think it was like blue silk. And blue silk, what's this? No, what's this? No, bigger bombs. Sugar guns, These are the only ones we have poppy power. Look at this. Monkey Buccaneer. Now we just place them right here. Oh, we can get another one. This now is good. Look at that! Look how much frozen are gonna get. Look how good we are. Oh snap! Even after shooting, it is okay. We know what? We need some more ice towers. That's what we need. I want to see something really quickly. Will they get more popping power if they're together? Okay. They're shooting.
¡Nadie!
Yeah!
¿Dónde estás? Dime si al baño.
Hi! I'm
Ya
recording!
son 20 minutos.
No!
Sí.
No!
Sí, ya son.
No!
Ah, que ya son. Ya hasta me bañé yo.
You lost, Papi! You lost!
¿Por qué?
Because